Good morning, friends. My dear friends, till now you have learnt many lessons and poems from English textbook. In fact, our English textbook is full of many lessons and poems which always give us some new things. Many lessons are full of inspirative stories. Many poems are full of many good things. And from all those things, we always learn and we develop ourselves. We mold our mind. We take decision to do something better. We determine to do something better. And that's why each and every lesson must be studied thoroughly. My dear friends, to be successful, man needs some qualities. One needs some qualities. Without qualities, no one can lead forward. No one can get success. No one can become successful. So always we should try to inculcate some qualities in ourselves. If we go through the story of courageous people, successful people, then we will come to know some good qualities which are required for us to be successful. My dear friends, today we are going to study a very important lesson which will definitely inspire you, motivate you to go forward. Its name is An Epitome of Courage. Friends, you might have heard the names of many scientists, the names of social workers, the names of actors, players, and so on. All these people have been successful in their life. Why? Because they always try to inculcate various qualities in themselves. And that's why they have been milestone for all of us. So, if we want to be successful in our life, if we want to get forward in our life, we need some qualities to be inculcated in ourselves. Without qualities, we can't become successful. We can't reach at the apex of success. And that's why each and everyone should always try to do something better. Each and everyone should try to take out all qualities which are hidden in us. My dear friends, today we are going to study a well-known scientist, Dr. Stephen Hawking. Dr. Stephen Hawking's story is very inspirative, it's very motivating. Really, his story teaches us much more. It gives us inspiration. It makes us positive. It makes us to overcome our disabilities. It makes us to overcome our difficulties. So, his story must be studied in detail. Friends, here we are going to study a strange truth. See, a strange truth. Handicapped are those who refuse to take up challenges even with all their senses and physiology in perfect condition. Generally, we feel that the people who don't have eyes, who don't have hands, legs, who are dumb, such type of people are supposed to be handicapped. But in this truth, but here truth is different. Here fact is different. Here, who have been supposed to handicap? The people who refuse to take up challenges, such type of people have been supposed to handicap. Actually, in our life, we see many people around us who are strong and stout in all respect. But they always get afraid of doing something. They never take up challenges in their life. And that's why they never develop themselves. They never get success. Such type of people have been supposed to handicap here. And this is the truth, this is a fact. If all people who are courageous, who are full of many qualities, determined to do something in their life, definitely they will reach at the apex of success. But they never try. They always cry. They always hesitate to do something, and that's why they don't get opportunity to do something better in their life. So this truth always should be kept in our mind, and considering this truth, we should change ourselves, we should change our views, we should change our thinking. Then definitely we also will be able to get forward in our life. Friends, the people who never take up challenges, who never tries to do something better in their life, who always get afraid of something, such type of people should be always guided by us. If we want them successful in their life, first of all, some activities should be done by us for such type of people. We should always guide them. We should always give some suggestions. We should give some examples of successful people. At the same time, we should try to understand their mindset. We should try to understand their difficulties. At the same time, in which respect they are lagging. Regarding that, we should study, and accordingly we should guide them. Definitely, then such type of people will develop themselves. They will become successful in their life. So, in our life also, in the respect of our friends, in the respect of our family members, we should always do such type of activities. Then definitely their life will get changed. Friends, there are pleasant and polite ways of referring to people with physical and mental disabilities. See, some terms which were being used previously. See, first term, blind. For blind, now at present, politely, we are using new term, visually challenged. For blind, we are using new term, visually challenged. For deaf, we are using new term, hearing impaired. For deaf, new term we are using, hearing impaired. For dumb, new term we are using, speech impaired. Speech impaired. For the term mad, new term we are using, mentally ill. We should not say he is a mad, he is a mentally ill. Like this we should use sentence. For lame, physically handicapped. There are many people who are lame. We should not say that he is lame, she is lame. She is a physically handicapped girl. Like this, new terms, new polite terms we should use now for the people who are physically and mentally disabled. Friends, around us there are many children, there are many people who always show their courage in some activities. And because of showing courage, they become famous, they become successful. They are praised by people. They are supposed to be heroes. It means that if we want to be successful in our life, the quality courage is very important. You might have seen many stories of some people. In their childhood, they were very poor. They were getting nothing. While taking education, they were getting nothing, but they never hesitated. They never cried. Always they tried to overcome their difficulties. Always they tried to overcome their shortcomings. Always they remained optimist. and that's why in future they became successful. In future they become milestone for society. So it means that if we want to get forward in our life, if we want to be successful in our life, we should always show our courage which is hidden in us. We should show the qualities which are hidden in us. We should never hesitate. We should never cry. If we show courage, then only people will suppose us to be successful. Then only people will praise us. People will give respect us. Otherwise, no one will give respect us. No one will applaud us. So my dear friends, whenever there are difficulties, there we should go forward immediately. There we should reach immediately. And we should try to solve the particular difficulties, particular problems. The people who are suffering from many things, such type of people always should be given helping hand by us. The people who are in difficulties, they should be helped by us. And the people who give helping hand to such type of needy people, such type of people only become hero in life. So my dear friends, if you want to be hero in life, first of all, you should try always to show the courage which is in yourself. Friends, now we are going to study the story of Dr. Stephen Hawking. First of all, I would like this story loudly. You have to listen this story very carefully. At the time of reading, you have to refer the textbook. You have to open your book at the page number 62.